Welcome back to SalesEra. The marketing landscape is changing, attention spans are shorter, competition is fiercer, and there's one medium that's seizing control. We're talking about video marketing. It's not just another tool, it's the engine of modern marketing domination. Your audience is watching. Are you truly capturing their attention? Are you building the authority you deserve? The statistics are undeniable. Video drives engagement, builds trust, and converts viewers into loyal customers that static content just can't match. But dominating with video takes more than just hitting record. It requires strategy. It requires understanding your audience, crafting compelling narratives, and distributing your message where it will have the greatest impact. It's about being present, being memorable, and being the undeniable leader in your space. Imagine your brand dominating the video landscape, reaching more people, building deeper connections, and driving unprecedented growth. Stop watching your competitors lead with video. It's your turn to dominate. Are you ready to discover your video marketing expertise? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights right here at SalesEra. Thanks for watching.